Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new BeeBeeCraft PR unboxing. I was lucky enough to be contacted by BeeBeeCraft and they sent me so many beautiful things. So we are going to grab in here and see what's next. I'm so excited. Ooh, I know what this is. So, as you can see, there's some beautiful not fabric, but what is the word I'm looking for? Material. It's to make felted animals. So, let's see what we're going to get in here. And there's two of them. So, there's two of them in this package. So, and I still haven't tried this yet. I still have my Panda Hall ones I need to try. And these are from BeeBeeCraft. So, let's take a look and see what we're going to get. So, they just folded it so they weren't showing the cover. So, look how cute. This is a bunny. I thought this would be perfect with the Easter coming up in the spring. I know it's not close yet, but I'm looking ahead. So, this is an adorable little bunny in a little pink outfit. And I think this is going to be so cute, don't you? And I guess it comes with a link to the instructions. So this is item A0159. And yeah, it comes with a link. It says scan to see the video course. And then it has, if you want to turn it into a key ring kind of thing. And it's got the little eyes in here. So it has everything you need. And let's take a look. So I don't know if this is alpaca or wool or what, but it feels so soft. It just, the fibers are beautiful. Fiber, that's the word I was looking for. So I don't know if you can, I wish you could feel it. Oh my gosh, I wish you could reach through and feel how lovely. Look at that pink. It is so delicate and pretty. And some brown and some black and some white for the bunny. It just feels really nice, you guys. Like, I wish you could. Doesn't that look like a little cottontail right there? Oh my goodness, this is so nice. I love it. I love soft plush things. I love stuffed animals. Yeah, this is going to be really, really cute. And it comes with this sponge, not sponge, styrofoam that you use to do your needle felting on, and the needles are embedded right in here, which is a really great way of setting them. So you can see, basically you're just going to be doing this onto the felt material. It's not felted yet. This is just like fiber, and we're going to be felting it into these shapes. So, and I have not done this for about 10 years. I used to do some needle felting. I didn't do a lot of it, but I didn't, you know, enough. So I think what I want to do is fold this up. So that when it goes back into the kit, the picture is on the outside. What are the odds I can get this back in? Okay, I finally got it in the bag. And I think that's how they're supposed to be packaged, so that the picture is on the outside. And I'm pretty sure this is exact same one that you get two for the price of one. So, but let's just quickly grab the instructions. Yeah, it's exactly the same one. So I'm just going to refold it so that this is on the outside, because I have quite a few of these now. So I'm just refolding that I think that's how they were supposed to come. Because, you know, they always want to show off what they're sending. So that is it, you guys. 2 beautiful needle felting kits. Let me put them down so I can tell you about them. Okay, guys, so we are over at the BeeBeeCraft.com website. You can see how cute this adorable little bunny is. You can see the name of it. It's the Honey Hand DIY pendant. Oh, look, down here it says it's a lamb. It's a little lamb. It's got a giant title. I'm not going to read every word of the title. But yeah, it says lamb. That's pretty cool. I thought it was a bunny. So it looks like it's US $4.89. I'm having a hard time seeing that. Let's put it in Canadian. So if we go to Canadian dollars, on the top right, it is $6.91, I think. It's really small for me when I'm recording it this way, so you'll be able to see better than I am the exact price, okay? So just look what it says on the screen. And this is all the stuff that it comes with the package. It shows you ahead of time. And we've already seen that. We've already seen all of that. So I think this is going to be super cute. It's adorable. It's a lamb. I guess it could be a bunny or a lamb. But anyway, let's head back to the regularly scheduled video, I guess, right now. And we'll talk about it some more. I'll see you in a bit. And look how cute those are. And I kind of like that you get 2, because sometimes when I make something, I mess it up the first time. And this gives you a second chance to get it right, which is really awesome. But these are adorable. Super, super cute. I'm really looking forward to doing them. So thank you, BeeBeeCraft, for sending these. I didn't realize they were lambs. I thought they were rabbits. But lamb is perfect for Easter as well, and for spring. It doesn't have to be Easter. It's not spring yet, and it's like stormy, cold, freezing rain, snow. Like every day is something different here lately. And I'm really looking forward to spring. So this is something that I just thought, and I love pink. Pink is one of my favorite colors, and I just thought I had to get these. So thank you, BeeBeeCraft. I'm really looking forward to doing these. I'm a little bit scared to start doing this again, but I'm also like a happy excitement more so than an anxiety. Anyway, that is awesome. And you guys, if you want to take a look, I will put the link down below if you want to check this out for yourself. And if you do want to make an order on BeeBeeCraft, they have been generous enough to give me a coupon where you get 10% off on your order. And that coupon's good for 2 years. And it is CAT10. And I will put it below. And also, if you have your own YouTube channel and you have more than 100 subscribers, if you are interested in also doing one of these collaborations with BeeBeeCraft, I will put information down below and you can contact them and see if they're interested in doing a PR package collaboration with you guys too. All right. So I've never worked with this company before. This is my first time. So I really don't have anything to say other than I'm really enjoying the stuff that I've gotten so far. But I'm just doing the unboxing so far. But I can't really tell you anything about the company. So do your research, check out online, you know, and see how you feel about doing that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care and stay safe. Bye for now.